Imagine giving your plants just one spoonful of this natural booster and watching them grow and bloom up to 5 times faster. And the best part? You probably already have it in your kitchen. Oats. Oats are more than just a healthy breakfast. They're a powerhouse for plants, loaded with nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for strong roots and beautiful flowers, and calcium to build stronger stems and better fruits. Here's how to make the easiest, most effective natural fertilizer for your vegetables, flowers, and even houseplants. Take plain organic oats, no flavors or sugar, and toss about 1 tablespoon into a blender. Blend until it becomes a fine powder. This makes the nutrients release faster, so your plants can absorb them easily. Next, add the oat powder to a liter of clean water or rainwater. Stir well and let it soak for at least 30 minutes, but you can leave it for a few hours for a stronger solution. Once it's ready, strain the mixture to remove the solids. This will make it easier to pour into your watering can or spray bottle without clogging it. Now simply water your plants at the base, or use it as a foliar spray on the leaves. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, leafy greens, they all love this boost. Because oats have a neutral pH, they won't disturb your soil balance. And since it's natural, it's safe for your garden, your pets, and the environment. So next time you make breakfast, remember, 1 spoon of oats can give your garden a feast. Try it this week and see the difference for yourself.